Hello and welcome to yet another video. Today is the day the project starts. We're going to start taking the tubes off the boat, bolt by bolt. All these bolts all the way around, which are flat-headed and posi drive and everything you can think of, have got to be taken out. This is going to be a long day. Hard with a screwdriver, flat-headed on some of these. So that's one side off, got the other side to do, and then the inside as well. But one thing, Daniel is on the way to give me a hand. Winner. Hello Daniel.
Hello. Important, isn't it?
So we decided to take the A-frame off before we tackle the bolts on the inside. That'll be fun. Much quicker.
Holding so.
No messing about. Oh yeah.
Good job one of us got a brain. I've got the loops. Finish messing around now.
All four done?
Can I have it now?
Hey.
Swap.
What's your phone?
Why are you bothered? I'm not bothered.
Taking the plate off, ready to put back on after. What does this mean, Dan?
What?
What does this mean, 9135?
Year of build, 91. 35 off the production line.
So we've got the A-frame off, we've done the bolts on the outside of the tubes. Now we've deflated the tubes so we can take all the bolts off on the inside. Let me show you that quick. see Daniel's already started.
Somebody's got to do it, haven't they?
Just get somebody else do it, eh Dan? So it's the end of the day, we're losing a bit of light and it keeps raining on us, but we took the front half of the deck off, which we didn't expect to do. But that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. The next one about this boat will be at this man's unit, DT Engine Solutions, to take out the engine, the stern drive and the gearbox. If anybody wants them, by the way, they're for sale. Just hit me up, let me know. Just before the video ends, we've found a new seat for Dan. What more do you want? Sound there, aren't you? Alright.